Hello, hello, hello. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Hola, hola, hola. And okay, that's pretty much like I only know like hello in 3 languages. It's the only hellos I know, which is like hello, bonjour, and hola. English, French, Spanish, and yeah. We got we got bonjour, which I said, hola, and Zdravstvuyata. I don't know how to speak Russian. Today I will be drawing a little thing, and I will teach you how to draw this. I'm not really good at the tutorial stuff yet, but I'll work my way into it, and I'll be like 2 years later. I'll be like no, I will not be. Redo. Okay, today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw. Where is it? Fruit. Now, just so you know, I am not really into the tutorial types yet. I don't really do them often, so this is going to kind of be new to me, but it's okay. I'll work my way through it. Got my pencils right here. Okay, so we are going to start off drawing an apple with a 5H pencil. That's just like what it's called. How dark it is and how light. This is a pretty light pencil. Okay, just noticed I didn't really show you my new setup here. So yeah, that's my new setup. But we will be facing down here for most of the video. I'm just going to get the shape of an apple or some kind of apple. Just try to get a shape of it. And it doesn't have to be real nice. It's just kind of a sketch. I think an apple is probably one of the easiest fruits to draw, and that may be totally different for you, but this is what I'm starting off with. And I like to put the little stem, so like a little ball at the top, and then just make its way down, kind of like that. Now, what I am about to tell you is very important in art. So we are going to give a highlight to this section right here, this little circle area. So think of it as the sun, or the light source, is coming from here, and it's shining down onto the apple. So this is the light source, is going down onto the apple. So this part right here is going to be lighter than over here. So over here we are going to add shadow. Today we will be using markers, and the marker I have right now is it's an azure marker, and this is color green 1. Okay, so we are just going to put a light coat over this apple, and of course you can use a red or maybe a yellow for a yellow apple. I am just making a green apple this time. Now that we have this, I am going to overlap on this side, making it darker. Okay, so now I am using brown 5 for the little stem. So I'm just going to, like, I don't know, kind of do something like that. Fill it in, maybe make it a bit darker at the bottom. And yeah. Okay, I forgot to show this part, but I grabbed this yellow, just a light yellow, and just overlapped on the green. And I'm not going to do it anymore because I already did it. But yeah, I did that just to give it some color. And yeah, just mess around with it until you like it. Maybe add some different greens that you have. And yeah, just experiment with it. Okay everyone, this is your first fruit and it is an apple. Hope you enjoyed that. And now we are going to move on to another fruit. Now this one I have already outlined and it may look very similar to the apple. And I kind of did it in that same form. But it is going to be a green pepper. Well actually, since I already did green here, I am going to make this a yellow pepper. So I'm drawing this new brush marker, and I don't know how this is going to look. Hopefully it turns out okay. Okay, that is a very, very bright yellow or orangish. Yellow, yeah, it's more like a yellow. So as long as you have it looking like a green pepper or a yellow pepper, red pepper, or whatever kind of pepper you're doing, in the end, you're good. Okay, so here I am going to try and draw this stem. Well, I already drew it. Now I am coloring it. But, yeah, so I'm just going to try to do that. And I'm using this dark green. And, hold on a second, I'll see what it's called. It's just called, Green 6. So, yeah, that's all it's called. They don't really have actual names, they're just like numbered. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to use this kind of orangey yellow now. I don't know which, I think it falls more into orange. But yeah, so hopefully this doesn't ruin my supposed to be yellow pepper. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, just gonna keep on doing that. Okay, I'm still doing it. Yeah, let's just experiment with it. Sometimes they don't always turn out how you planned them to turn out. And now it kind of looks like a pumpkin, you know? Okay, I did my little sections trying to make it look kind of 3D, but not really, I don't know. But anyways, I got done, and I added some highlights, and tap them down, and yeah, so that is your, I don't know, it's kind of turning into an orange pepper / yellow pepper, so I'm just going to say it's a yellow pepper, yeah. Next up are some cherries. Okay, so I'm just going to do kind of the usual cherry look. So like you got 2 little things here, and then the cherries. Okay everybody, I have my cherries filled in with red, and now I'm just going to have to do the stem. Okay guys, I got a little bit of green right here, so I'm just going to use this white Posca pen and try to fill that in. And like bam, it's like it was never there. Okay, so the cherries I'm not too impressed on, but it's okay, I'll do with it. Next up are some blueberries. Okay, now I am using blue 12 to marker in. If I can get this open. Oh, okay, I got it. Yeah, so I'm going to marker them in with this kind of blue, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. I just put lotion on, so it was kind of hard to open it up, but yeah, I got it. And with our blueberries, I got these lighter spots right here and stuff. So I'm just going to put some of that. And yeah. And here I am just like using my finger to, while they're still wet, kind of pat them down a little bit like that. And this time I am actually coming in with a Ohu fine line drawing pen to just kind of outline everything. And it looks okay. I've actually never really drawn blueberries before. Well, I have like one time I think, which I will show you. It's right here. These are actually a lot smaller because my finger is right here. Yeah, I drew them pretty small. Okay, now this is a fruit that I don't generally like at all. So I'm going to draw it, or yeah, I'm going to draw it first, and then you're going to go in and color it. Okay, so that fruit that I don't really like is watermelon. Right now it doesn't look like much, but yeah, I got the basics down, and when I am drawing the seeds, I just kind of think of them like little teardrops. And I'm using red 9 again, like what I used for the cherries over here for the inside. It's a much more vibrant red. It's pretty bright. Okay, now I'm going to add all the tiny little seeds with this little felt-tipped pen. The watermelon is finished. Yep, that's my watermelon. Well, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this fruit making episode, or, well, I never called it an episode before, well, it's just a video. It's a tutorial, yeah, on how to draw fruit. And I really enjoyed doing this, so I think I'm going to do a lot more. So stay tuned, and yeah, I might be like drawing vegetables next, or maybe doing a tutorial on how to draw plants. Yeah, plants, or maybe just teach you how to draw dragons. And well, of course I gotta be good at something to like try to teach someone how to do that. But yeah, so these are all my things right now. And oh, I gotta do one more thing. So I already did these 3 up here, but I just put like apple, yellow pepper, cherry, blueberries, and watermelon. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video very much, and see you next time. Bye!